One misinterpretation that people make is that there's an imperative in the show garden setting that you plant very densely, that you create density, you create quantity, and you create lushness. People often make the mistake of trying to recreate that at home. I'd say at home, you need to give plants a bit more breathing space.
My top tip: organisation. That's always number one. And planning, yeah.
Sun cream, especially in this weather. But better than sun cream, eat more tomatoes, because tomatoes, believe it or not, have lycopene contained in them, and the more lycopene you ingest into your body, the more melanin you get, and melanin makes you tan, not burn.
I think the simplest thing to do, and I suppose anyone can do it, is paint your boundary walls and keep your grass verges clipped and clean looking.
It doesn't matter what you do or how good your garden is, enjoy it. That's the number one thing.